What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this exquisite roasted garlic hummus. It's packed with flavor and it's so creamy. It's perfect for dipping or wraps, sandwiches, on top of crackers, you name it. We're going to start off by roasting some garlic. So cut the top off and drench it in olive oil, and then using some tin foil, roll it into a ball and place it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes or until your garlic looks like this. Then we're going to need 1/4 cup of tahini, 1 lemon fully squeezed, and olive oil. Place all of your ingredients into your food processor and then add in some salt, cayenne pepper, and cumin, then blend. Then we're going to add 1 can of drained and patted dry chickpeas and blend that up too. I like my hummus very creamy, so I use a spoon to make sure all of the chickpeas are blended. If your hummus still feels a little dry, feel free to add more oil or tahini. I like to top off my hummus with olive oil, crushed red pepper, and fresh parsley for color. You can keep this in the fridge for up to 7 days if it even lasts you that long, because I could eat this whole bowl in one sitting. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a huge thumbs up and a shout out in the comments. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. All right, y'all, I'll see you next week.